Now, one of the things I want to talk about is everyone thinks, well, if I have a camera, I just want to get a 30x camera because that's the longest camera and that's the best one. And I got to caution people, it's not always the best idea. You want to get the camera that's the right camera for the room, and you've got a tool that you're going to demonstrate with us. But before we get into that tool, I want to talk about something that we've gotten a lot of calls from that's unfortunate, but it's the reality of what's going on. Is someone that has a church with a balcony, they do a beautiful mounting job with a PTZ camera, they get a 30x because it's a long throw, maybe it's 50, 60, 100 feet. And the problem is someone walks on the balcony and it shakes. And I have a little demonstration here with a pencil. One of the things we need to remember and keep our eye on is a little bit of movement at this end makes the pencil wiggle a lot at the end. So when you're on a 30x camera, every little wiggle and every little jump, everything is amplified. So it's real important that you gotta, if that mount's not working, you got to either go with a shorter throw, not zoom in as far, or find a better way to mount that camera. Maybe it's got to be on the side, on the wall, not on the balcony itself, right?
That's right. I mean, there are vibration resistant camera mounts available that you can look into, but nothing is going to stop bad placement. If it's on a balcony and people are walking there, you should choose a new solution for the actual mounting location. Other locations that are difficult are near large speakers
Yep.
where there's a lot of vibration
The
from the
boom of the
bass.
bass. We all love the bass.
So you got to be careful with that. Now, obviously, if you there's nothing you can do with the location, then take a look at the vibration mounts. They're pricey, but they might save you some solution. Other people have taken little bits of rubber and put them down underneath the camera.